We talk about all these different things that's going on with crypto. Is it gonna stay? Is it gonna last? Is it not gonna go ahead and do what it's supposed to do? It is well known that all markets crash, and Bitcoin is no different. Hope everybody's having a phenomenal day. This is your boy Zeke from Zeke Speaks. Be careful about trading crypto this month. In March, it is well known that all markets crash, and Bitcoin is no different. So before we start, like, share, and subscribe. I had last crash was in 2017. It is 2021, and it is due for a crash. It's going to dump out. It's going to fall. It's going to become bearish, okay? Just let you guys know. You may not want to hear that, but guess what? It's going to happen. It's what we talked about in the last video. Check it out, and you will be very shocked about some of the information that I have to give. Crypto will bounce back, but crypto will not bounce back right off the bat. To be honest, it's not going to bounce back for the next at least 2 to 3 weeks that's coming up in March. The first week, it's kind of you know, flimsy about if it's going to go fluctuate up or down. It's going up a little bit, but it's due to fall down to a lower high. A lower high is when the market was going up in an uptrend. It's going lower. It's going to do a pullback, go up to a lower high than it was recently, and then go back down. So that's what we're calling a lower high, and it's crypto's crashing, big baby. It's due for it, and it's going to happen soon. Be ready for this change. Now, for those that's actually talking about trading any type of crypto, this is the best time to start getting ready to do research, if you're not already doing it, to actually study crypto right now if you don't know that much about it. Because there's going to be a point in March, at the end of March, the beginning of April, that it's going to start shooting back up. Yes, the new trend is it's shooting back up, and be careful to know when to buy. When you're buying into a huge uprise that's gonna happen with the bullish market, you have to know one thing, and one thing important: buy low, sell high. Again, buy low, sell high. The fact of the matter is, a lot of people, they don't do Forex, they don't do other types of stocks. They're just getting into crypto right now, and they've never seen how to trade in a different type of market. So let's go ahead and start with the basics just a little bit, so you can have something to be able to think about today, tonight, or even tomorrow. One thing I would in particular like to talk about is knowing that, again, how to start in a new trade. You do not need to go ahead and trade when the high point of the market. That's not the time to trade. That's not. Nope. That's the time to relax, kick off your shoes, and relax your feet. No, it was a song that said that, right? Yeah. That's when you go ahead and kick your shoes off, relax, and study. Once you study up a little bit, it's gonna start coming down. Once it hits that bubble, it's gonna go all the way up. It's gonna bubble up at the top and start going down. That is the time to figure out when the market is gonna go ahead and come back and kick back up. Right now, crypto is in the state of the bubble. So make sure that you pay attention, highly pay attention to what's going on. You need to pay attention to what's going on in the news. Last year, the Federal Reserve Bank has actually been looking into buying a United States crypto. A US dollar digital currency is on the way. It's on the horizon. So for those that don't think crypto's going to go ahead and go even bigger and go to 100,000 just per one coin, you are highly mistaken. Governments are talking about switching over. It's a possibility that it's going to happen. Yes, we talk about all these different things that's going on with crypto. Is it going to stay? Is it going to last? Is it not going to go ahead and do what it's supposed to do? Is crypto a safe way of making money? Can I use crypto? All these questions, I'm letting you know now. Crypto is very safe when you know how to look in the markets. If you don't look in the markets to be able to really study and hone up your craft, you will lose money. That goes for anything. We all know if scam stands for still confused about money. So let's be real. Do we want to still be considered a scam? Or do we really want to take hold of our own life and develop a pattern for us to be able to have a skill set that can change our life? This is what learning how to trade is about. Learning how to actually make money consistently. For some people, they've replaced their jobs just because of the last huge mark in crypto. It crashed a little bit. Yes, it definitely did. Now, there's another crash. That was just the beginning of it. March is not a good time to trade if you are not going to study. You have to study. You have to do your research. You have to create strategies. You have to look at the news, seeing how Elon Musk is buying, inflating Bitcoin, talking about all these different things are going to actually lead you into doing your research the correct way. All this little pieces of evidence that crypto is going to bubble and go down, it's already there. Can't you see it? That is why we need to develop you into being a consistent trader, not just going into trading. Somebody told me to buy crypto. Somebody told me buy Bitcoin. Somebody told me to buy, I don't know, Ethereum, Ripple. Whatever you learn about, study. I don't like to quote things that much, but there is a book that I like to quote somewhat myself, and it says, "Study to show thyself approved. A workman need not be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth." Yes, that's a quote from the Bible. Definitely it's a quote, but a quote that is really important to make sure that you understand. Because if you don't study, you can't divide no truth. You can't. So let's understand that we need to understand education, self-education, like you're getting in this video right now. If you like the information that you're receiving, tell me in the comments that you want more information like this, because at the bottom line, we're going to really go definitely in tune with trading crypto within the next few months. I'm telling you this right now. I'm going to follow the market completely every single day to make sure I give content to you that's going to be able to help you learn crypto, help you better someone else in crypto, because guess what? Applied knowledge is power. So apply the knowledge that you're getting today. Apply the wisdom, because if you don't apply the wisdom, there's no point in gaining the knowledge. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. So if you like this video, which I know, if you've already stayed this long, so you actually had information that you received that you did like, shoot me a comment down so we can talk in the comments. Whatever you need, this is going to be effective. Anything you need in crypto, let me put it that way. Anything you need in crypto, or we're talking about Forex, or we're talking about motivation and discipline, health, wealth, those are the things I'm going to help you guys with. Because guess what? When you're trading, it's a mindset. Trading is a mindset. That's why it's only the 1%. It's the 1% game. So stay encouraged. The best days of your life are still yet to come. Doesn't matter how old, how young you are. You're still here. So guess what? Let's get to work. All right. Check you guys out later. Love you guys. Peace.